back. We are going in today with another one. Today we're doing a little something different. We are going to do kind of like, the sun setting, starry night type look. I'm just outlining the shape of the sunset, like the background that I'm gonna have. So let's get into it. I'm using Plan & Makeup by Yolanda's eyeshadow base in the shade Foundation, and I'm using a crayon case brush just to blend it out. We're gonna go in with this eyeshadow palette. It's Jamrock Pastel palette from Pembe, which stands for Plan & Makeup by Yolanda. And we're gonna go in with this pink shade right here. Let's go back into that same palette and use this peach shade. You want to keep blending until your face looks like the color of bologna. Till it looks like a ham slice is slapped right there in the middle of your face. Now I'm just going to take a yellow shade and I'm going to put it right there, right on top of that pink. To get the moon started, we're going to use that same foundation base and just like a defining lip brush, and we're going to go ahead and try and paint on this moon. We're going to get into our next color, which is going to be a yellow, and we're going to be using this palette, which is the Jamrock Matte palette for Plan & Makeup by Yolanda. The color is called Papayas, and we're going to put that right there on that moon. Now I'm going to take some more foundation base and I'm going to start drawing in some clouds. This brush that I am using is from the crayon case, and it is a flat shader brush, and I'm just going in and putting random clouds all over my cheeks. This is the NYX White Lip Liner, and I'm just going to be drawing in some twinkling stars, and I'm going to use another brush to help splatter the liner everywhere. Oh, and please make sure that your eyes are completely closed when doing this. To get these eyebrows looking like something, We're going to use Plain and Makeup by Yolanda's pomade. This is in the shade Dark Brown Ash. And I'm just going to trace the outline that I want for my eyebrows. I'm using LA Girl Pro Conceal in the shade Fawn and a cream brush from the crayon case to clean up the outline of the eyebrows. I am going to blend the concealer out with a Real Techniques blending brush. We're going to use Plain and Makeup by Yolanda's eyeshadow base in the shade Foundation, and we're going to pack that down with a blending brush from the crayon case. We're going to go back into the first palette that we used, the pastel palette, and we're going to use this blue shade right here. Use a blending brush. It doesn't matter what kind of blending brush you have. Make sure you want to go ahead and blend out that harsh line that you just put down. Now I'm just going to use a lighter blue from that first palette that we picked up. To deepen this up, we're going to put a purple right into the center of our crease. You already know what we're about to do next. We're about to cut this crease. We're going to use the All-Made eye remover and a lip defining brush. It don't have to be a lip defining brush, but this is the only brush that I have that is this small. So we're going to go ahead and use that. I am using a crayon case cut crease brush, and I'm going to cut this crease with Plan and Makeup by Yolanda's eyeshadow base in the shade Foundation. I am taking a blending brush that already had that purple one from earlier, and I'm just going to blend that edge out where the foundation base meets the eyeshadow. I'm going to use this palette by Rihanna. It's the Fenty Beauty Galaxy palette, and it's a whole shimmer palette. And I'm going to use that purple iridescent color. It comes off as purple and blue, and so that fits great into what I'm trying to do. I'm trying to get like a background to where it's starry, like the sun has set it in the nighttime. For this look, I'm just going to use the Il Makiage foundation. I'm not going to blend the two foundations like I would normally do. This is in a shade 135, I think. This is an online quiz that you have to take to get your, I don't want to say correct shade because my shade did not come out correct, but as closest to your shade as possible. Now I'm going to use the Il Makiage foundation, the Juvia's Place concealer stick, and our LA Girl Pro conceal in the shade Fawn. I'm going to use these brushes. This is from Plan and Makeup by Yolanda, and this is out of her Champagne brush set. For the lashes, I'm going to use the Crayon Cases lashes, and it's going to be out of the purple box. It's going to be the ones in the middle. I'm going to use my favorite Anglola from the Crayon Case, and you only need a little bit of this highlight. I'm going back over the clouds. I just want to make sure that they stand out and they're brighter. This lip liner from the Crayon Case is in the shade Bare. The lip gloss that we're using today matches the theme. It is Fenty Beauty by Rihanna, and the shade is in Spacesuit. It is an iridescent kind of type of lip gloss, and oh my god, it is so pretty. To top that off, we're going to put this lip gloss by Juvia's Place. It is in the shade Soul Glaze. Since we're going all out with this look, we might as well do an under eye. So now that it looks like you got punched in the face, you're going to use mascara from Benefits Cosmetics, and it's called Bad Gal Bang. This is the final look. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.